Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm going to make this audio and video screen recording for explaining the French 1000 sentence recording project. I'm sorry, I don't have an iPhone right now because I got one to set up the whole project and everything, but I had to give it to my friend because he wanted to do some recordings as well. So I'm just going to change the video which I recorded for the Hindi 1000 sentence project, and we will, kind of turn it into the French one because it's going to be the same procedure. The only difference is that the words are going to be different, of course. So we'll start with um, how to install the app first. So the name of the app is called High Speech, as you can see over here. And another app which you should download is your Google Drive, because I'm not a very professional iOS user, so that's the method I found. If you find some other method to be more convenient or more practical, please follow that. So you should feel free to do that. So let's so we're going to go into the App Store, and from the App Store we are going to download uh, this app called High Speech. I'm sorry if it's going to be a little bit glitchy because I'm just forwarding the video according to, where what's proper and suitable place. Okay, so High Speech, just download the app and open it. Okay, so this is basically your app. This is where this box in the middle is where you will see the sentence. Over here, there is a counter of how many words there are and how many sentences you've recorded. Over here, you can also see a start button. This basically starts the recording. Stop to stop the recording. Previous and next to navigate through the sentences. And play to play your recording to check and make sure if the sound is okay or if you made any mistake and you want to double check. And next start, it's something you don't need to use because it automatically goes to the next word and starts the recording. So this is something if you want to go like ultra fast, but only do it if you're very, very confident that you can handle that, because otherwise it might create more problems than convenience. Okay, and the next thing which we need to do is that we're going to open the Word file. So what I do is that I copy the Word file, the text file, into my Google Drive on my computer, and then I open it in my iOS device through the Google Drive app. This is the format for your the text file name. I will send you the text file name as french.txt, and you're going to add your own name at the beginning just to make sure that we know and we can track the files and all the file names are named after your name, so that there's no confusion in the future. And once you open the app, once you open the text file, you would be able to see the text. Of course, over here you can see it in Hindi, but yours would be in French. I have the French ones here. One second, let me show it to you as well. So over here we have the French file, the French text file. So you have all these words over here, and you can use these words. You're going to use these words to make the sentences. So these are 1,000 words in total. So these are basically the keywords, and you can use these words to make a sentence. You can use and it's actually completely fine even if you don't use that word. Like if you, for example, if you see this word like crocodile, I don't know how to properly pronounce it in French, but if you see this word, then it's maybe you don't want to use this word, so you can use another word as well. So that is quite fine as well. So uh, now let's go back to our platform. So once you open the text file on your phone, on the Google Drive on your iOS device, on your Apple phone, then you are going to click on these three dots over here. What will happen after you will click on these three dots? It will basically give you an option where to open this file. So over here, you can go down and you can click on Open With. I will show that again. Sorry. Yeah, over here you can see over here there is an option Open With. You'll click on this Open With, and you will be given an option to copy to high speech. So you're going to click on that. So it's going to automatically upload it to the high speech uh, app. And then you can click here, click me, select your voice, then go into inbox, and then just click on done. You will see the name of the file over here directly. Just click on done, and the file would be ready. And it will you will be able to see the keywords in the recording area. So right now we are in this place where you have the word in front of you. So you're just going to click on you're going to look at the word, think of the sentence, and then click start. Once you will click start, it will start recording, and that's the time when you need to kind of like look at the time. You need to follow the time and make sure that your sentence is longer than 5 seconds and shorter than 10 seconds. And at the beginning of the sentence, you're going to leave 1.5 seconds of gap, and when you finish saying your sentence, you're again going to give 1 to 2 seconds at the end, and then click on stop. So I'm think probably very soon I'm going to click on recording start. So you see, I clicked on start, then I waited for around 1.5 seconds, and then I started speaking, say to read the sentence. I'm reading the sentence, and the sentence is almost 9 seconds long. So that's if you minus 1.5 gap in the middle, in the beginning. So that is, and a 1.5 second gap at the end. So that's around 3 seconds. So it's a 6 second long sentence. So you can make it a little bit longer because this is pretty close. You don't want to be below 5 seconds. And then you will click next. And once you will click next, you will be on second to the second uh, sentence. Sorry, keyword. So now we click next. Now we are at the second sentence. We're going to repeat the process again. Click start. Uh, First, look at the word, think of a sentence, click start, say the sentence, then click stop, and then go to next. And always remember 1.5 second in the beginning and 1.5 second at the end, at least. It can be 2 or 2.5 seconds as well. It doesn't matter. Okay. So after you're done with that, you can see the counter at the bottom as well. Over here it shows 97 keywords because it was just a trial file, but actually your real task will have 1,000 sentences, 1,000 keywords, and you'll make 1,000 sentences. Now, how to get the recorded files out? So you're going to again click on the top. You're going to click on this blue button which says Inbox and Tariq Hindi text, and then um, you're going to click on output. When you click on output, you will be able to see your file name, and then you're going to click on that, and again, and then you can see your files over here. You can click on these files and listen to them as well, just to make sure they're actually recording and everything is fine. Then just go back. You don't really need to go into that. You just need to click on how to say, you just need to click on the archive button, and it will automatically give you the option to upload it to your Google Drive. So once you'll click archive, I don't know why I'm going into that again. Let's Okay, yeah, should be over here. Okay, so once you'll click on the archive button, it will give you the option to send it to Google Drive. So just click on the Google Drive button and choose your account and click on My Drive or whatever place you want to save it, and then just click on Upload. So I'm choosing just my main folder. So I just said save here, and I'll click on Upload, and it's just going to take a couple of minutes because right now it's a small file, but your whole file will be much bigger. So it's going to take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed, and it will upload to your Google Drive. And then all you have to do is to go to your Google Drive. You can see over here, it's been not uploaded yet. Let me forward. Okay, so you can see over here the Zen Tariq Hindi zip file is here. Then just click on those three dots on top of the file over here, and it's going to give you an option for link sharing. So then you just click on link sharing, and then click on who has access, and click on link sharing off. So it will turn on link sharing. Okay, so now it's on. Then you have to click on this eye icon, and it's going to give you an option to change it to editor. Because otherwise, I can just view the files. I cannot download them or change them. So you just click on editor, and then just go back. It's automatically and click on copy link, and then just go on WhatsApp or WeChat or whatever app you're using to paste the link like I'm demonstrating, because I don't have my WeChat or WhatsApp or anything on this phone, so I just use the messaging service just to show. So you can copy the link here and send it to me. All right. So guys, this is basically the whole process, and I hope it's understandable. If there's any confusion or anything you don't understand, please do let me know. Now, one of the most important things which I need to tell you is that when you make your first 2 or 3 sentence recording, please listen to them again, because you need to make sure that your voice is clear. You cannot make recordings where your voice is unclear, or it's too far away or too near. You don't want to have like a recording where you're talking like this or something, because this is not good. I'm sorry if that hurt your ears. It kind of hurt my ears as well. So you need to make sure that your mouth is not too close to the microphone, not too far away from the microphone. It should be at the right distance. Your voice volume should be correct. There should be no background noise. There shouldn't be any like dogs barking or children running around or cars or traffic, or anything like that. So, yeah, that would be it. If you make sure about these problems, and also that the sentence should be between 5 to 10 seconds. I mean, there could be like a little bit up or down. It doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter if there's a few of them like that, but just not the whole recording, 1,000 sentence recording to be like that. So there's always like a margin of error in these recordings, which is completely understandable. All right, guys, thank you very much. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me.